Good morning, guys. There's the side. Welcome back. So today I'm going to tell you the history of tariff. Okay, so tariff was not imposed by USA till early 1920s or 1930s. Okay, in that era, tariff was, not that much inclined or not that much problem, but it contributed or it credited and great thing of decline, a great decline of 66%. Okay, of 66% in the world trade, and that was due to the First World War. From First World War, no country was ready to do trade, or no country was ready to trade with each other or its trade partners. So that declined 66%, or that declined the tariffs in late 1920s or 1930s. Okay, but then a new act was been introduced, that was Smoot-Hawley Act. Okay, that was passed, and that was a credited, or that was a sign of exacerbating the Great Depression. Okay, the economic instability, and that led to the election of new president, that was Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay, the new president of America. What he did was that he declined, or he reduced all the taxes from the foreign trade. Okay, when he declined all the taxes of foreign trade, that was the turning point, or that was the point where tariffs were not that much considered in that era. But then it comes to 2016, that is 2016. Donald Trump was the presidential candidate in 2016, and he vowed to take strict actions against tariff. Okay, to help white collar workers. So in 2017, when he became the president of America, his administration, when he took the office, okay, he mainly supported, or mainly spent all his time in tariffs, and all his time in solar panel and washing machines that were imported from the China. Okay, he targeted China and increased much tax. Okay, that led to a tariff war, and that led to the a raise in tariff, and a major issue. Okay, then in 2018, 25% tax was imposed on China from agriculture sector or every other sectors. 25% tariff were being introduced by Donald Trump on the China. So that led to the tariff war, and on this tax, 25% tax, I have made a video. I'll put a video in description. Please see that video. It's all about the tariff. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.